You can now import tool machining data from Walter Cutting Tools to Cloud Connect Tool Manager, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in the machining process. In the tool vendor list, click Walter GPS and then start application-related search. Pick up the material, cut method, and machining feature that suits your machining application. You can easily find the best tooling solution and machining data for your specific machining requirements. Send to Siemens NX will send the tool and machining data you select to Cloud Connect Tool Manager. Click on Import and Send to NX. You can select machining data for your operations. Get Machining Data allows you to add multiple sets of machining data for existing tools from Walter.